It's a pleasure to have you here. My name is Cavalcante, and today we're gonna make for you Galinhada, a very traditional food from Brazil with simple ingredients, and you also can make for the whole family with only one pot. Okay, let's cook it. The first step for our recipe is to have a chicken stock. I've made the chicken stock on my Instagram. I'm gonna leave my Instagram here, and you guys can check there how I make a very nice chicken stock. Okay, so first step, have a chicken stock ready. Okay, next step for our recipe is to marinate our chicken. Okay, so you can use any part of the chicken that you want. It's just the chickens that I have here in my house. Okay, so I have breast and I also have the wings. Okay, so salt and just a little bit of pepper. Okay, black pepper. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna just grill our chicken for a little bit. Okay, so when the fry pan is very hot, we're gonna just add our chicken here. And then we're gonna grill it for a while. Okay, don't turn the chicken every second. Okay, just leave it there. When it's ready, you're gonna turn it. Okay, but don't keep turning every second. Okay, so when your chicken is ready, okay, you can turn off. Take all our chicken out. So in our same pot, okay, we're gonna add onions, peppers, 2 cloves of garlic. Just cut as small you can. Here I have paprika. Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit. Also I have here bay leaves and turmeric. Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit of turmeric as well. And now I'm gonna fry a little bit all these ingredients. Okay. After we work a little bit in these ingredients, we're gonna add now tomato, a little bit of carrots, and also I have here corn. Okay, so we just mix everything and leave it frying for a while. Okay, after we work a little bit on these veggies, we're gonna come back now with our chicken, and we're gonna add a little bit of chicken stock. Okay, in Brazil, we make this recipe with another type of rice. Okay, but here I'm gonna make with basmati. Okay, it's gonna work anyway. Okay, I can add my rice here now, mix a little bit, and now we're gonna cover it with chicken stock. Okay, and we're gonna let it cook for a while. While our rice is cooking, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It's a pleasure to have you here. Thank you so much. Oh, I was forgetting to add salt. Okay, so I'm gonna add a little bit. I can also add a little bit of thyme. Okay, after 15 minutes cooking. Okay, now we're gonna put the fire low. Okay, just to finish the rice. So we wanna keep a little bit of juice. Okay, a little bit of the sauce inside. So what we're gonna add now, just in the end of the recipe, we're gonna add a little bit of parsley. Okay, so then we can take all the bay leaves out. Okay, also the thyme. So actually what you can do now for the next step to put this recipe in another level, if you want it, okay, you can take a tray. Okay, add all this rice inside the tray, put a little bit of mozzarella cheese on the top, or whatever cheese you want, put it in the oven for 5 minutes just to get melted the cheese. Okay, and then you can put on the table. Also, you can put the table like that straight away. Okay, because this is a family food, or you can plate it. Okay, I'm gonna plate it, and now we're gonna see how it's gonna be nice to plate this dish. So as you can see here, you know, the rice is very juicy, you know, very creamy. It's so nice, you know. And this is our recipe for today. I made for you guys Galinhada. It's a pleasure to have you here. I see you next week.